What I'm going to do, I've got all our veggies ready. I'm going to move them over here out of the way and let them, I'm going to come back over here, heat up our pan, and I'm going to throw in our noodles, okay? Because what I want to do is get some color on our noodles. I've already cooked them, so they're all ready to go. We're going to get them in here, and I'm going to get some oil on them, and I'm going to get some soy sauce. So let's get some soy sauce on them. I want to color them up here. I want to darken them up, and then I want to make a sauce with them. We'll put everything back in. Now this is our toasted, roasted, toasted, beautiful sesame oil. We're going to go just like that. That's about a tablespoon I put. And then what we're going to do is get these going just like this. Get them all so they're flattened out, okay? Now what we need to do here is I'm going to add a little of this juice from the chicken, just like this. We'll pour it right in. Because that was beautiful chicken juice. When we cooked the chicken, a piece just fell in. That's all right. They're going back in anyway. Okay. So there we go. We'll get these all so these noodles get a little color here.
Extra sauce.
And then we're going to make our extra sauce. Because Anthony, like you guys know, he likes his sauces. So there we go. Okay, so now we've got our color going real good here. And here's some that didn't get it. All right, that's beautiful. And then what we're going to do is put our veggies back. Oh, that's hot. The veggies back in, just like this. Just like this. All our veggies, and it had some juice with the veggies. Okay. And we're going to kind of mix them all up a little. Like this.
I can smell the sesame from here.
Yeah, you can smell the sesame oil. And I didn't use a lot. That was about a tablespoon. You can measure it. I measure it with my eye. Okay? All right, so now we've got everything in here, and we need to make a sauce, right? So you can use some water, or you can use some broth, okay? Now I have in here, I have some of the brown sugar, I have some Chinese spice, and I have some ginger. And I'm gonna get that right in there, and we're just gonna get that right on top, and then I'm going to come over here behind me, and then I'm going to get about a tablespoon of this potato starch so I can thicken everything right in here, just like this. Okay, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to add just a little water to this because there's not much, and we're going to put hot so I can make a sauce. Now you could use, just like I said, you can use broth if you like, okay? All right, so we'll let that go. And then what we'll do is get just a little cold water into this, just like this, and I'm going to take this potato starch, or you could use whatever else you like to thicken with, but I use potato starch because it goes right on contact. So we got that mixed. Now what we're going to do is mix up our 5-spice and our sugar and all of those good things in here. Ginger. And you can see we got a lot of veggies to go with our noodles, so we're going to have a veggie feast with our noodles here today. Okay, so let's get this to boil. We're going to get this to boil. And before I put that chicken back, and oh, also what I did is I steamed some of these pot stickers. These are pork pot stickers, just so we can have a little pot stickers. I'm going to put them back on top, but I steamed them while we were on break, okay? So as not to take up our valuable time for everybody. And now we're starting to boil. We're starting to boil, and you can see, if you look here, we have juice, we have water, okay? Or you could use, if you like, you can use the beautiful, delicious chicken broth or vegetable broth, whichever you like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this right in here, about that much. It thickens right on contact, so you really don't need to waste any time. Just mix it up so you can see it's thickening up nicely. And on the bottom, keep turning everything, it's thickening up. Okay, And remember to have your soy sauce on the table. And what I'm gonna do is get the chicken back in right now. Just get him right on top, just like this. Chicken right on top of all of that. Chicken, 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 chicken. All right, and a little more soy sauce, just like that. And we have it. You can put sesame seed on top if you like, or if you like, you can put parsley or some beautiful scallions. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll show you at the table how this plates up, and there you got it. Chef Pete's easy. Clean out the refrigerator. Stir fry. Pete out.